RTK is a technology that has been around for more than 2 decades and is a suitable solution if you're working within range of a base station setup and require centimeter-level accuracy. However, Trimble offers even easier and more flexible services to access high accuracy. Trimble VRS Now uses an existing reference station network infrastructure operated and maintained by Trimble to deliver RTK-level performance without the need to set up your own base station. Trimble VRS Now networks cover over 1.1 billion acres. That's 445 million hectares worldwide. No one provides a larger VRS footprint. And you'll have access to hundreds of other VRS networks, both privately and publicly operated. We'll even give you a free trial on any of our correction services. Just contact us today and put Trimble's decades of industry-leading positioning to work for you.